If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep posting daily videos of new arrivals coming in. It's a 2016 T-Rex Campagna. Flood damage, freshwater flood. It runs and drives. We actually were able to get the vehicle running. Has a bunch of extras on it. Carbon fiber sills, got some suspension, some control arms on it. These covers here, these compartments. Swing arm, struts, exhaust. Maybe selling it with a salvage title. We're actually in the process of completing the vehicle. I'm gonna assemble it, put it together, make sure everything's working.